Hi, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 245 Scott Street, unit number 1. Okay, this is located in the desirable Lower Haight neighborhood, and there we are near DuBose Park, the Panhandle, Alamo Square. Haight Street is literally full of tons of restaurants, food, pubs, drink, coffee, and the walk score on this one is 98 and 95 for the ride score. And here we are, only a 6-minute walk to the N Judah. That'll get you to downtown, and Safeway and Whole Foods Market is only 11 minutes walk away. Okay, here's the exterior of the building. You'll notice there's a sign for sale. This building is no longer for sale, so don't worry about that. You'll notice a garage on the right. There is a 2-car parking for rent. It's tandem. We'll discuss the details of that a bit later. There's an intercom system so you can buzz people in. And you'll notice there's a small lobby here with a marble floor. That door goes to the laundry room and the bike parking. We're going to go take a look at that in just a moment. We are up one flight of stairs, and we're beautiful hardwood floors. We're going to go into unit number 1. This is a front-facing junior 1-bedroom. There's 4 units in the building. And number 1 is right here in the front, light and bright unit. Really beautiful floors, really nice paint scheme here, gray and white, tall ceilings, beautiful fixtures. This unit includes blinds, and they can be raised from the bottom or the top, so those are really cool. This is a really cool little nook here right in front. This could be great for a little office. Another cool light fixture. Okay, cool. All right, the restroom is in the back. Here is a closet here. Beautiful hexagonal marble floors. Nice big vanity with drawers. Walk-in shower with white subway tile. Just very inviting. Brand new restroom. Nice closet right there. I think traditionally people would use this room as a bedroom. Remember, this is a junior 1-bedroom, meaning there's not a particular door for the bedroom. And this is a nice big living room with that nook. Now let's swing around and show you gorgeous kitchen. Full-size gas burning stove. Beautiful stainless steel dishwasher and top mount fridge, garbage disposal, nice hardware on the sink there, and beautiful cabinetry with brass pulls. Oh, this is a double door, which is kind of cool. So you can just open the lower portion and just let the breeze come in the top portion. And let's just take a look at the shared backyard. Well, as I mentioned, there are 4 units in the building. There's a small backyard, not appropriate for grilling per San Francisco fire code, just FYI, but nice for relaxing on a nice, beautiful sunny day as it is today, and just kind of tranquil and perhaps have a chair and a book, or a margarita, or a cup of coffee. Here's what the exterior looks like. You won't have to worry about any construction noise because everything's already done. All 4 units are exactly the same finish. Different layouts, but pretty much the same finish. And the building just looks great. Gorgeous unit. Oh, here's this bike parking and laundry I want to tell you about. So the bike parking is right here. This unit will get at least one bike slot. And this laundry is free, no coins. Freebie laundry right there. Okay, let's take a look at some still images of the property. Okay, I look forward to meeting you at the open house, and best of luck in your home search.